Drop aluminum foil balls into your toilet and don't blink. This looks ridiculous at first. But what happens after the first flush is exactly why I never stopped doing it. I learned this trick from someone who cleaned houses for decades. And she said the same thing every time someone doubted her. Let's begin calmly and do this step by step. First, grab a bar of soap. Any soap works, but choose one with a scent you truly enjoy, because that fragrance will play an important role later. Using a grater, shave the soap on the fine side until you get light, fluffy flakes. This texture is important because it blends easily and releases aroma slowly instead of all at once. Instead of dissolving too quickly and disappearing, transfer all the grated soap into a large bowl so you have room to work. Now comes an ingredient most people never expect to see here: a full tube of toothpaste. It doesn't matter if it's gel, white striped, mint, or herbal. Squeeze the entire tube directly over the soap flakes. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Sprinkle it evenly and mix lightly. Then add 2 more heaping tablespoons of baking soda right on top. Yes, 3 tablespoons in total. This ingredient is essential because it quietly balances everything else, absorbs what shouldn't linger, and supports the mixture long-term instead of masking problems temporarily. Now comes the hands-on moment. Use your hands to knead everything together slowly. Once the texture is uniform, start shaping the mixture into a large ball. Make them about the size of a large walnut, not too small, not too big. These are designed to last, not disappear in a day, and to release their effect gradually over time. Comment, yes, if you're going to try this at home. Now cut a square of aluminum foil large enough to fully wrap the ball. Place 1 ball in the center and wrap it tightly, sealing it well. After wrapping, take a toothpick or fork and poke several small holes around the foil. These tiny openings allow a slow, controlled release instead of everything activating at once. Now comes the moment most people rush, but don't. Lift the lid of your toilet tank carefully. Gently place 1 foil ball inside, away from moving parts and floats. Close the lid gently and let it sit undisturbed. And now the reveal. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. With every flush, water flows over the foil ball, quietly activating what's inside. The bowl stays fresher, buildup becomes harder to form, and the air changes in a way visitors notice immediately, even if they can't explain why. No sprays, no harsh chemicals, no constant effort. Over the days, the effect becomes more noticeable. The toilet stays cleaner between scrubs, odors don't settle in, and the bathroom feels consistently fresh without overpowering scents. 1 ball can last weeks, sometimes longer depending on usage. When it shrinks or loses strength,